Hey everybody, welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond and today we are making Maryland lump crab cakes. If you don't already know, I love seafood and especially a good crab cake. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and bursting with delicious crab flavor. Plus, any recipe with crab in the title is probably gonna be good. But my recipe has a few twists because you know they've gotta be fire. So let's go.
We'll start by prepping our vegetables and herbs. First, dice 1/4 cup of celery, which is about 1 stalk. Celery is not traditionally found in Maryland-style crab cakes, but I like the extra flavor and crunch that it adds. Next, finely chop your shallots. These shallots were pre-chopped, but I wanted smaller pieces, so I decided to mince them up a little more. Now let's prepare some fresh parsley by first rinsing, removing the leaves from the stems, then chopping and mincing into small flakes. You'll need 2 tablespoons of parsley for the crab cakes and some extra to set aside for garnish. Next, in a large bowl, add your mayonnaise, eggs, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, celery, shallots, garlic powder, white pepper, Old Bay seasoning, salt, and parsley. Ingredients and amounts can be found in the description below this video. Now give it a mix. You'll want to whisk it all together until well combined. It's time for the crab meat. First, drain any juices from the container. Then, in a separate bowl, add your lump crab meat. Next, using your fingers, check for shells and remove any hard or sharp cartilage found in the meat. Once you're confident your meat is free from debris, add your crab meat to the liquid mixture. Then stir it all together until gently mixed, being sure not to break up the crab meat too much. Next, add your Panko breadcrumbs and gently fold the mixture until just combined. Breadcrumbs act as a binder and control moisture. Now cover tightly with the lid or plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, and I guarantee it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. After your crab cake mixture is cooled, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then create a foil boat and grease it generously with butter or non-stick cooking spray. Now portion the crab cake mixture into mounds using a measuring cup. Place 1/2 cup of your mixture onto the greased foil boat. You can use your hands to compact each cake so there aren't any lumps sticking out or falling apart. Now brush each crab cake with melted butter. This will give them that golden brown exterior with just the right amount of crisp. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until lightly browned around the edges and on the top. For a little extra crust, try cooking these crab cakes in a non-stick skillet. Once your crab cakes are golden brown and firm to the touch, remove them from the oven, add a little parsley for garnish, and your crab cakes are ready to eat.
All right, folks, our crab cakes are done and they look delicious. Do you agree?
Yes.
All right. Well, today I have my mother, Mama Joyce, here with me. She's here to taste these crab cakes and she's never had my Maryland lump crab cakes before, so this will be her initial reaction. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
All right, we're ready. We've been waiting. Let's do it.
Okay. My mouth is watering. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my good. Ooh.
Cheers.
Woo. Am I in Baltimore, Maryland? Oh my God. Maybe I'm Jay Gilbert. I'm on the water somewhere. That is good.
These are crispy, juicy, and like I said, bursting with great crab flavor.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is good. So good.
I'm gonna eat 2 then.
Look at that. Look at that.
These go great with a little remoulade sauce I got right here.
And I tell you,
Just to give it a little tang.
that taste is excellent. You like crab cakes? Whoa, you don't like this. Melt in your mouth, chew it. The crab meat comes out. So good. So good. This crab cake, so good to me.
And that's how you make Maryland lump crab cakes the Fire Eats and Treats way. This recipe is a must try, and if you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
You gotta try it.
Yep, that's all there is to say. Thank you, and good night.